This is SolidWorks. Like many other CAD applications, SolidWorks can attach so-called metadata to individual parts in a file. This is free-form data that users can lay out in any way they desire. Here we have added 3 metadata properties: prop name, material and author, and each property also has been given a value. Customers typically have many of these properties and use them to track internal processes, assembly line identifications, long part names and descriptors and so on. Previously, this information was lost when importing CAD files with metadata into Keyshot Studio. But with 2025.3, we have added a CAD metadata viewer. The new Creo plugin will always transfer metadata, and the importers for Creo, SolidWorks, Solid Edge, Catia and NX files have a checkbox, as you can see here, that controls whether or not metadata is imported. Once our SolidWorks file is loaded, we can enable the metadata viewer. On the left, it shows us all the properties in the file, both those that are built into SolidWorks, and our custom fields. There is a checkbox next to each property that allows us to filter the display to the right. This is extremely useful due to the large number of properties in many CAD files. These filter selections can be saved locally or exported for sharing with other users, which is great because many larger companies have a fixed metadata structure and thus want to view the same set of properties in every scene. Note that the corresponding part in my 3D scene gets selected when I click on a property in the metadata table. I can also click on parts in 3D and the table will automatically show me the corresponding metadata property.